Conditions for the formation of covalent bond. The important factors which favor the formation of covalent bond are follows. 1. High ionization energy. The atoms having high values of ionization energy prefer to form covalent bonds because they are unable to lose their valence electrons easily to form cations and enter into ionic bonding. 2. Equal electron gain enthalpies. The formation of a covalent bond is favored when the combining atoms have equal electron gain enthalpies, that is equal attraction for electrons. Third point, equal electronegativities. When the electronegativities of the combining atoms are equal, no transfer of electron from one atom to other atom take place and the bond formed between them is covalent. Fourth point, number of valence electron. Formation of a covalent bond is favored when each of the combining atoms possess 5, 6 or 7 electrons in the valence shell. This is why elements belonging to groups 15, 16 and 17 easily form covalent bonds. Fifth point, higher nuclear charge and small internuclear distance. During the formation of a covalent bond, the electron density gets concentrated between the nuclei of the combining atoms. This electron charge is responsible for holding the two nuclei together. Therefore, higher the nuclear charge and the smaller internuclear distance favor the formation of a covalent bond. These are all the points of favoring the covalent bond formation. Next is covalency. The covalency of an element in a covalent compound is termed as its covalency. It is defined as the number of valence electrons shared by an atom of an element with the electrons of other atoms, the same element or different elements to form covalent bonds is called the covalency of that element. You have to study the definition. Thus, the covalency of an element is the covalent in a covalent compound is equal to the number of covalent bonds formed by its one atom with other atoms of the same or different elements. In simple, by taking an example, we can understand that the covalency of hydrogen in hydrogen molecule is 1. And that of oxygen is 2 because it is a single bond, this is a double bond. That means 2 valencies, 2 covalencies. 2. Similarly, methane, the covalency of carbon is 4. That means from carbon there are 4 covalent bonds. Now, variable valency. The number of covalencies of an element depends upon the number of unpaired electrons present in the valence shell. That is, upon the number of half-filled orbitals. Certain elements possess vacant orbitals in their valence shell and are capable of promoting the paired electron of the valence shell to them. The state of The atom obtained by such promotion of electrons is called excited state of the atom. In the excited state, the number of unpaired electrons is greater, fill in the blank, greater than present in the ground state or normal state of the atom. The number of electrons gets excited depends upon the energy available for excitation. An atom can show more than one covalency depending upon the availability of unpaired electrons. This phenomenon is termed as variable valency.